Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use Vlookup function in Microsoft Excel. It's a part 1. You can see here AR Trader Private Limited sales report where date, product, unit price, quantity and amount are given. I am using unit price. I am getting this unit price from this list. You can see here Vlookup function, and here is a product and unit price. When I select the product mouse, I will get the 150 unit price from here. I select the product speaker. Now unit price is 800. It is getting here from this table. How can we do this? Just I am select all the cell. I am removing the formulas. Now I am using Vlookup function from get this unit price. Here just type is equal to and Vlookup and press tab key, and it will ask you lookup value. What is the lookup value? This cell. Because when I select the monitor, it will get the monitor unit price. When I select the mouse, it will get the 150 from here. Now just type comma and it will ask you table array. Table array is this. But I have to fix this table by using F4 key. Just press F4 key for fixing these cells, fixing this table. Press comma and column index number. It will asking you column index number. It's a column 1 and it's a column 2. Just type column 2 because I am getting the unit price. Comma, and it will ask you true for approximate match and false for exact match. I need a exact match, then I select this and close the bracket and press enter. It will get the amount 4500 from here. Now drag down this formula. Now mouse unit price is 150 from here and monitor is 4500 and LCD is 8000 and mouse is 150 from here, and you can get the any value from any table by using Vlookup function. How can we create this list? If you want to create a list, just press Alt DL, Alt key and DL, Alt DL. Here is a list. I select the range, this range, by just click here and select this range. It will create a list and press OK. Now it's a list. When I select the keyboard, it will get the amount from here 250. It's a very simple. You can use it in your worksheet. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.